Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to check licenses in Salesforce. This is helpful for managing user access, monitoring available seats, and understanding how our organization uses Salesforce. Let's get started. On the Salesforce dashboard, we simply need to click the gear button in the upper right corner. This is the Quick Settings button. Once we find it, go ahead and click it. From here, we need to open the Advanced Setup. After being redirected to the Advanced Setup, we click the Quick Find box and type company information. When we see company information appear, go ahead and click it. This is where we can find our company information, organization details, and user licenses. This section lets us view and manage Salesforce licenses, track availability, monitor assigned users, and make sure our organization has the right products and features in place. Once we scroll down, we can see the user licenses right away. Here, we can view our Salesforce license, its expiry date, any Salesforce integrations, and their expiry dates as well. We can also see the total number of licenses, whether they are active, and how many are currently in use. All of this information is available right here in one place. That's how we check our licenses in Salesforce. With this simple process, we can easily manage user access and keep track of our Salesforce resources.